How to fix WeChat app unusual network problem error. So if you want to fix WeChat app unusual network problem error, then what you need to do is first tap on WeChat, tap and hold on to that WeChat application, go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, you will have this kind of interface. So if you have an option of force stop, you just need to simply tap on force stop and stop the application for a few times. And after that, you need to go with the storage and cache and go with clear cache to remove the temporary cache or temporary files. And after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with the permissions. And under permissions, make sure that you've allowed the location permission. Tap on allow only while using the application. And after that, you can remove the settings and then restart your device. And after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your WeChat app unusual network problem error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.